There are several types of nets used to collect insects, including aerial nets, sweep nets, and aquatic nets, also called D-nets. Aquatic nets are meant to be placed in a body of running water and allow the water to run through it. Often rocks are disturbed so that insects hiding under the rocks will be dislodged and caught in the net. Sweep nets are usually thick canvas and are meant to beat through grass, brush, and other vegetation. Aerial nets are mesh, meant for easy movement through the air to collect flying insects. They can be used for sweeping, but care should be taken not to rip the net. There are also hybrid aerial and sweep nets with both canvas and mesh on the net. The best way to collect insects is to sweep sideways. Sweep past the insect and quickly flip the net over. This pushes the insect to the end of the net so that you can collect it. You can also sweep through vegetation to collect insects on plants. Sweep several times, flip the net over, and then look inside. To remove the insects from the net, you can either reach inside and grab it, or drop a drop or two of killing solution of acetone or ethyl acetate on the insect's thorax, and then reach in to collect the insect. This is a good idea for stinging insects, but avoid doing this for butterflies and moths as it may wash the scales off them and ruin their color.